The feedback that we've got from whānau has been really supportive around the installation of solar panels on our kaumātua flats. It's been a new item that's been brought to our marae and something that we're all interested in and still learning as we go forward with it.
The main reason why we wanted to install solar panels here at Ngātira was because the cost of the power was really expensive and there was just power outages. So when we did have that recent power outage, almost 48 hours the power was out. That's 10 kilometres from here all the way up to Litchfield.
The aspirations for the marae have been real simple, and it's around what's been left from us from our tupuna who have gone before us. In our kaumātua currently today, it's around the sustainability and the growth of our marae.
It's more dynamic than what the normal power. We're doing well.
So culturally, bringing the sustainability through solar panels to the marae, to our kaumātua, is actually helping our whānau grow as a unit and being able to keep our whānau together and sustainable within these troubled times.
It's something new for a lot of iwi, and it is for us, especially living out here.
I'll use flat 1966 as an example. The daily use there is 12 kilowatts an hour, and that's about less than $5 a day. Before it was about 18 kilowatts.
So the communication from other marae is about how do we get these solar panels come to Ngātira, around what funding do we get. So that's been an open dialogue around what their process may look like, and they're looking at getting some solar panels at their marae as well. So it's been real positive, and again, it's the need of the wider marae around Raukawa to get sustainable in these times.
Raukawa's role was a real important one. They are the sponsor. They have the setup to help us.
It's really good. It will help our marae, how they see what solar can do for our people.
Yeah, I just keep looking at the solar and just like, it's amazing.